Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to change PIN to confirm payments on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to change your PIN every time to confirm payment on Facebook so that your account is secured. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can change PIN to confirm payments on Facebook. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then now tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, scroll down and you'll see the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button and then select on this orders and payments. And then once you are in here, you'll see the settings. Under that, here is the security and controls. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see the security and you'll see here the change pin. Tap on this change pin. And here, you need first to enter your current pin. And then now, create your new pin. And here, confirm your new pin. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to change PIN to confirm payments on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can change PIN to confirm payment on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.